With only a few days for Apple to finally reveal iPhones 2018, we have a new filtration that offers us a different name structure for the three iPhones that Apple is about to present. Shortly after Apple issued media invitations for its annual press conference in mid-September, it leaked the name of the new 5.8-inch phone, the iPhone XS. Then we heard that the 6.5-inch version will be called iPhone XS Max, while the 6.1-inch LCD screen referred to the iPhone 9 and even the iPhone XR in some reports. The date of the Apple media event September 12, as well as the actual release date September 21. Apple is likely to initiate orders in advance on Friday, September 14, and then launch phones in stores a week later. The document also says that the iPhone XS will come with dual SIM options but will be released after September 21. Right at the bottom of the page, the start prices of the three models are also included. We are seeing 5,888 yuan $858 for iPhone XC, 7,388 yuan $1,076 for iPhone XS and 8,388 yuan $1,222 for iPhone XS Plus.